All right, we're gonna make a hot Charlotte today. This is a gin cucumber cocktail. Start with our cucumbers. So do about 4 wheels. I think it's kind of the, it said 1 tablespoon diced cucumber in the recipe, so whatever. Cucumber is good. I don't think you can add too much cucumber. Probably could, but. So we'll muddle the cucumber with the lemon juice, just to give us a little liquid in there, something to mash it up. It's 3/4 of an ounce of lemon juice. So just kind of mashing up the cucumber, giving yourself a little like cucumber infused lemon juice paste. It's really just kind of going to be a pulp that flavors your cocktail. Then we'll double strain it all out at the end. So none of this is actually going to be, none of the fiber is going to be in the drink. 4 to 6 dashes. Those are little dashes. Do like another 8. So take that, put that in your shaker tin. And then we're going to add our 1.5 ounces of the gin. Like I said, we're using Hendricks on this because it's got the cucumber in there, and the Hendricks has a real nice kind of cucumber accents to it. So it brings out a lot of good flavors. And then 1 ounce of your elderflower liqueur, aka St-Germain.
Bartender's ketchup.
Which is a fun fact about St-Germain is the guy who came up with St-Germain was the brother to the guy who came up with El Camion. Camion?
Canton.
El Canton. El Camion. El Camion is the taco place. Go to El Camion, get some tacos. Those guys are dope. But the El Canton, or the Canton? It's just Canton.
Yeah, it's ginger liqueur.
Yeah, it's a ginger liqueur. And so these 2 brothers are the sons of the guy who came up with Chambord. And the way that they earned their inheritance was that they had to come up with something. He wasn't just going to give them his Chambord kingdom. They had to do something with their lives, and so the 2 sons went out and created St-Germain and the Canton. So we got the elderflower and ginger liqueurs for our cocktails because the dad demanded more of his sons. So that's kind of a cool little story, I thought.
It's usually the ingredient that's in a drink that...
It works so well with gin, especially, I think. It's hard not to use sometimes. It's like I said, it's the only sweetener in this drink. We're not adding any simple syrup, any purees or anything. You just have elderflower liqueur that's just nice, soft, a little floral, a little sweet, and it still has alcohol content to it. And so, if anything, you're just making more of a cocktail than diluting the cocktail. So, shake all that shit together. All right, Life from the Well glasses, available soon in our Etsy shop. Peter, get on that. All right, and we're gonna double strain. So you got your little double mesh strainer here, your standard bar strainer here, and you pour all that over there. All that over there. Just pour it through, and it catches all your chunks, all your broken ice, all your pulp, everything that's gonna get caught in your teeth. Just leaves you with a real clean, smooth, delicious cocktail. Cool. Garnish with a cuke. Don't stab yourself. Hot Charlotte. Cheers.